Hey you guys, welcome back to Time to Unwind with your girl Yamika. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to seal a bottle of wine without a cork. And I'm also going to be giving you some great resources. If this is your first time watching your girl, please don't forget to smash that like button, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now that you have opened your bottle of wine, getting ready to drink, and you damage your cork, now you need to find an alternative way to seal that cork, because you do not want to be cleaning up no messes in your refrigerator, because I know I don't. I know your question is now, Yamika, so how do I preserve my wine without the cork then? Don't you fear, your girl Yamika is here. I'm going to give you the tea on the tools I use to help seal my bottle of wines after I done messed up the cork, because I've done it plenty of times. Stay tuned, your girl will be right back. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. Like I stated before, we was talking about the corks and everything when opening a bottle of wine. So when you're opening your bottle of wine, it's always a problem. You can damage your cork. Even though you have a refrigerator, you still need some type of way to preserve your wine while it's in the refrigerator. So now you guys, you have that damaged cork. You may be wondering, what can I use in order to preserve my wine while it's in the refrigerator? So what I discovered to help with this common issue, drum roll please, a stainless steel press type wine bottle stopper. I got about 3 or 4 of these in my kitchen. Even if you heard of this before or not, I had to share this with you, as this has saved my life and my refrigerator 1,000 times. There are many types of these bottle stoppers, but you choose what works best for you. The main one we like using is the stainless steel press type wine bottle stopper, which is in the shape of a cork, but it has rubber inside it. The good thing about these stoppers is that they all have rubber within them. You will have no leaks, even when your wine is laying on the side in the refrigerator. I will be leaving the links in the description to the wine bottle stopper and other types as well, so be sure to visit my description below for that. Now, another type of wine bottle stopper will be the one shaped like a cone, and it fits directly inside of the wine bottle neck. It also wrapped with rubber, which helps preserve the wine and prevents leaks as well. This type is another one of my favorite, next to the stainless steel one mentioned earlier. Like I said before, there are many types of these wine bottle stoppers, but you choose which one works for you. So there you have it, you guys, in a nutshell, how to preserve your wine if you damage your cork. So if you found value to this video, please like, share, comment, let your girl know what you think. Guess what time it is, you guys? It's comment time. It's comment time. What is your favorite type of wine? Is it dry, sweet, semi-sweet? Let your girl know. If you guys want to learn more, feel free to click the link below in my description. You can actually shop with your girl and learn more about One Hope. Your girl is going to be out. But first thing I want you guys to do, again, go ahead and like and go ahead and share this video. Until next time, I'll see you later.